Hello homeowners. Today we will discover the crucial reasons why getting inspections done before the listing your home on the market is important. By doing it, we will learn how pre-listing inspections can save you time, money and hassle, ensuring a smoother transaction process. Watch this video to make informed decisions for a successful home selling journey. Should I do inspections before listing my home? Are you contemplating whether to conduct inspections before listing home for sale? In today's real estate market, it's a question worth exploring. Hi, this is Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area, and after doing hundreds of transactions, I totally understand the importance of this decision. In many areas, it is customary for buyers to pay for their inspections. However, there are situations where sellers can benefit significantly from conducting inspections before listing. Let us get into know why it is important. Mainly, pre-listing inspections can save you both time and money as a seller. Knowing your property's condition upfront helps to avoid unexpected costs during the buyer's inspection. Imagine facing a hefty termite bill of 5 to 15,000 during negotiations. Such surprises can hurt our financial plans, especially if you are eyeing on another property. Furthermore, discovering major issues like faulty roof or air conditioning unit early on gives you options. You can choose to sell the home as is, or disclose the issues, or address them proactively. By uncovering potential issues before listing, you are better prepared to navigate the selling process. We recommend sellers standard inspections such as home, roof and termite inspections for our homes. These inspections provide crucial insights into property's condition, helping you to make important decisions. Addressing safety and health concerns identified in these inspections can enhance your home's appeal to buyers and streamline the negotiations. Pre-listing inspections also offer peace of mind to both sellers and buyers. Sellers can be confident in their net proceeds, knowing they have addressed any significant issues upfront. Buyers, on the other hand, are reassured that the home has been thoroughly assessed, reducing the likelihood of unexpected repairs on post-sale. In summary, pre-listing inspections promote confidence and transparency throughout the transaction process. Whether you are a seller or a buyer, these inspections contribute to a smoother, safer escrow experience and ensure a successful closing. For more guidance on navigating the real estate market, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are here to help you to make the informed decisions and achieve your real estate goals. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area, with the tradition of excellence and integrity. If you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and make it a great day.